Hello everyone, I'm Ashlee and today I've got Neewer's USB microphone kit. In this video I'm going to show you how to use this fantastic product from Neewer and show you some tips on how to get the best use. Let's begin by unboxing the product. Please ensure that you have everything before getting started. This includes the microphone foam cap, the metal shock mount, the pop filter, the table mounting clamp, the scissor arm stand, the USB cable, and the computer installation guide. If you've got everything, you're good to go. Next, let's quickly dive into what this product has to offer. To start with, it's a plug-and-play system, which means that you will not need any computer drivers for installation. It also has a professional sound chipset, which enables you to have smooth and true audio recordings. It's phenomenal for singing and voiceovers. The microphone has a 192 kHz sampling rate, and the magnet ring allows you to be satisfied with crystal clear audio by having an anti-interference function. Finally, with all of the accessories included, you will be most pleased with the scissor arm stand, as it is very strong and sturdy. It can hold up to 1 kilogram of weight. Right, let's begin setting this up. Firstly, let's piece together the microphone. Bring the microphone and the microphone foam cap together, pull it on, and twist the foam cap down in place. Next, we're going to attach the microphone to the metal shock mount. Simply slide and twist the microphone with gentle force into the center hole. Next, let's piece together the stand. Unthread the screw plate and gently slide it into your table, ensuring that the wheel is at the top, then retighten the screw plate until it's secured into place. The scissor arm stand has 2 ends, one metal and one black. Slot the black bar into the table mounting clamp and use the wheel to secure it into place. You can now simply screw the metal shock mount into the metal end of the scissor arm stand. Quick tip, you can use these 2 wheels to angle the microphone to your perfect position. Installing the pop filter is really easy to do. Simply place the pop filter clamp into one of the scissor arms and twist the wheel to tighten it into place. You can then position the pop filter to your preference. Once you're all set to go, the next step is to connect the microphone to your computer. Taking a hold of the USB, plug the square end into the bottom of the microphone until you hear a slight click. This ensures that it's correctly in. All you need to do now is plug the standard USB end into your computer. It really is that simple. Of course, if you get stuck with anything at this stage, then you can easily find the solution in the computer installation guide. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has helped you. So what are you waiting for? Become a professional today with Neewer's USB microphone kit.